Free. Hey, what's up guys? My name is John McNeil, and in this video today, I'm going to be giving you 6 free affiliate marketing courses that you can actually take advantage of if you're a beginner, if you have no idea how to make money as an affiliate. In this video today, I'm going to actually be taking you to 6 free affiliate marketing courses that are going to teach you from scratch, from A to Z, how to do affiliate marketing. And once you consume all of this information in these 6 free courses that I'm going to be sharing with you today, you're going to be able to go out and actually start your affiliate marketing business, do it successfully, and make money online. So it's going to jump right in. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video, and we're going to be talking about 6 free affiliate marketing courses that you can actually take that's going to teach you some really good, solid information about how to actually start an affiliate marketing businesses. Most of these free courses that I'm going to be introducing you to will have you up and running by the time that you actually finish the course. And these 6 that I'm going to be talking about today aren't in any particular order. I would actually suggest you actually getting involved with all of them and learning from each 6 of the courses, because I think you're going to take bits and pieces from each course. Although all of them are great and they're going to give you the full spectrum of affiliate marketing, I think you should take all 6 of the courses so that you can really have a solid foundation and start out your affiliate marketing business correct. So all of the links of the 6 courses that I'm going to be talking about in this video will be in the description. So at any point you can go down into the description and access any of these 6 courses. So the first course that we're going to be talking about is this course by Tyler Stokes. This is actually on Udemy, and this is a free affiliate marketing course. It's actually a 5-step series course that Tyler put together, and it's basically the easiest way to make money as an affiliate marketer. Again, there's a 5-step blueprint. It's basically 5 videos of content, and you can see that it has a lot of ratings. It's rated 4.4, and he has a lot of students, over 27,000 students. There's 2 hours and 18 minutes of on-demand content, and you can actually access this course for absolutely free. I highly suggest you go through it. It'll give you a great foundation on how to actually pick a niche and create a website, how to create demand, and some other big tips on how to actually generate some big profits with your affiliate marketing business. The second company is called My Online Startup. My Online Startup. And again, this is going to be an affiliate marketing education that's going to be really good and really thorough. They have a lot of information about mindset stuff that you're going to learn, because you do have to have the right mindset if you're going to be starting a business online and selling affiliate products online. It also takes you through how to find a profitable niche, how to find the right products, how to pick the right product that you want to sell. Of course, it's going to teach you about lead generation, creating a lead magnet, a capture page to build your list, automating your follow-ups. It's going to talk about tracking, everything you need to do to kind of automate the whole process of building out a business. And then it's also going to talk about creating an authority platform. This is more so talking about creating a blog, kind of a home for yourself online, if that's something that you want to do. And of course, it's going to give you different traffic methods. We're talking YouTube marketing, forum marketing, which can be extremely powerful, and it's free, as well as YouTube marketing is free. And this is a paid traffic strategy when you're talking solo ads, but you're going to learn all about that in My Online Startup. The third free affiliate marketing course is going to be Funnel Franchise. Now, Funnel Franchise has actually been around for a while, and this is actually the 3rd rendition of it. And what you can do is, again, you can just sign up for absolutely free, and it's going to give you a lot of different training. So if you go in here and you click on training area, you can go here and you can see that you have tons of training on traffic. So solo ad traffic, YouTube free ads, YouTube paid ads, Google PPC, Bing ads, Facebook free traffic, Twitter automated traffic method. This was a really cool method. I enjoyed really watching this video. You're going to learn about email marketing from scratch. There's about 14 videos about how to actually really do email marketing from scratch, even how you increase your open rates and increase your click-through rates, everything that you need to do in order to clean your list so that you can get better opens, everything that you need to know about email marketing in order to profit from it, you're going to be able to learn here in this section. This next module is all about blog creation. We kind of talked about that. So again, having a presence online, having your own home base online is very important because it kind of gives you an identity. It kind of gives you a home. It also gives you like a platform to sell multiple different products and multiple different programs. If you have a blog, you can send people there and then they can actually kind of go shopping on, what types of things that they want to get involved in. So you can have multiple different opportunities on your blog and people can kind of pick and choose on what they want to get involved with. So of course there's some training for funnel creation. There's some done for you funnels in here. There's also some free products that you can actually get access to within the actual training area. So these are full-blown products that are actually sold for money at some given point in time, and you can actually access these products absolutely free. Again, Google Cash Explosion. This is about getting traffic with Google. You have email cash funnel, again, email marketing, and tube funnel. This is going to be about YouTube marketing, instant profit funnel, as well as this cash in with Bing. So this is going to be Bing advertising. So again, there's a lot of free training that you can access here with the My Products, as well as in the training area that we just showed you. The next product is called Super Affiliate Hack, and this is actually one of my products that I've created, and this is actually free to you. And basically the whole premise around the Super Affiliate Hack is to basically condense what super affiliates do, and I've actually kind of condensed it in this training here, and I've actually put it into videos, and I kind of show you and break down everything that I've learned and spent thousands upon thousands of dollars from super affiliates, and I kind of put it into this course called the Super Affiliate Hack. And essentially it's kind of a shortcut way to get to $100 a day. I break it all down, how you select the product, how you actually create your hack campaign, and how you get traffic to it, and then how do you 10 times your results. You're going to learn that in the Super Affiliate Hack. Again, all of these courses are absolutely free and they'll be in the description below. The next course is called Your First Affiliate Sale, and this is another course that was created by me. This is actually fairly new. I actually created this course maybe a month or so ago, and it basically takes you through the process of me creating a campaign from scratch. You actually see everything that I do live here on video. So I actually kind of give you an overview of what I'm going to do, and then I go through the product selection where I literally select a product that I'm going to promote to make money from, and then I actually create a sales funnel. All great information in both of these videos. And then of course lastly I show you how I get traffic in order to make money with the product that I promoted. So this is just right on YouTube. There's no opt-in. You don't even have to put in your email address to get access to this, and I'll just have a link to this course right here on YouTube. It'll be in the description again, and you can access this course. But it's really good information, and I just highly suggest that you go through the videos in order so it really just makes sense, because if you skip product selection, you're probably going to miss some key things. I really go into depth on like how do you go about picking the right product, because a lot of people think they have a good product and it doesn't make money. It has to convert, and I give you the information of how to pick that product, how to set up your funnel, and then how to get traffic. So make sure you check out Your First Affiliate Sale. Again, it's designed to help you get your first affiliate sale online. And the last course is another YouTube course that you can actually just click on and watch. It's only 30 minutes long, and this is a course that was created by the super affiliate Franklin Hatchett. He gives a lot of free good information on his YouTube channel, Franklin Hatchett. You can just check him out, but I'll have this one particular video in the link in the description, and this is his free affiliate marketing course, a complete A to Z beginner's tutorial for 2021. And basically he's going to show you how to join an affiliate network, how to find a product, how to get traffic to that product, and actually how to earn commission. So he kind of walks you through from A to Z. If you're starting from scratch, if you're a complete beginner, how to go ahead and build out an affiliate marketing business and start making money from it. So there's really no excuse, guys. If you are new and you're not making any money with affiliate marketing, here are 6 courses that you can actually get access to, from the Udemy course with Tyler Stokes, from My Online Startup, from Funnel Franchise, from my course, the Super Affiliate Hack, Your First Affiliate Sale, as well as Franklin course. You have great information, a lot of information, a lot of value that you guys can get from these courses. And there's no way you can go through all of these 6 courses and not really have a great foundation of affiliate marketing and what you need to do in order to start generating income. So if you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section. And if you guys know about any other free affiliate marketing courses that the community would like to know about and that are really good and solid, make sure you leave that information in the comment section. We'd love to hear about it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you check out these courses in the description below, and I'm out.